a sign of tough times as shipments of raw rubber sheets just sit, waiting. It was once this white gold that made Thailand the world's top rubber producer. But the natural rubber market has seen somewhat of a reversal in fortunes as it finds itself at a crossroads of a bitter dispute between the world's two biggest economies that is sending ricochets across Southeast Asia with unexpected consequences. More than half of Thailand's rubber sheet exports go to China to be manufactured into products ranging from car tires to rubber gloves. The drop in demand from China due to tariffs on its rubber products have resulted in a 10.4% decrease year-on-year of Thai rubber, with prices plummeting.
The maximum is around $7,000 per ton. Nowadays, it's already $1,800 per ton. If China have the problem, any problem in China, it will affect a negative side also sure for the Thai country.
But this trend is not only limited to the rubber industry. Sales of computer parts fell by 10.6%, auto parts fell by 4%, and machinery parts fell by 12.3%. Once ranked as one of the fastest growing economies in Southeast Asia, Thailand's trade-dependent economy is being dragged down by the spillovers from the trade war.
The trade war has an impact on Thai exports, particularly to China. I mean, we have already seen a decline in Thai exports year on year since the second half of last year, when these two major markets have been affected by the trade war. So they're demanding, a slower or even a contracting, demand from Thailand as well.
So far this year, Thailand's exports have had to brave a flurry of challenging factors: China-U.S. trade war, exchange rate volatility, and trade policy uncertainty. But there still may be a silver lining. Although its economy may be hit in the short term, Thailand may be able to capitalize on the shifting of supply chains.
So we have seen companies, both Chinese, American, Japanese, South Koreans, moving from China to Southeast Asia. The sectors that have seen relocation from China are the computer parts, auto parts, electrical appliances, and also petrochemical products. So these are the sectors that are actually benefiting from the relocation out of China to Southeast Asia.
Global trade is in Thailand's DNA, and as new global diplomatic and economic fault lines are appearing, with new and untested consequences emerging, Thailand's resilient economy will once again be severely tested. Lucita Sao Gao, CGTN, Thailand.